We will take you on unexpected adventures and uncover fascinating stories behind heavy-duty vehicles. Don't miss the chance to learn and experience something new with us. Let's get started. Transporting the Sud Aviation C210 Caravelle, a French passenger jet, was also challenging. It required meticulous planning involving multiple trucks and trailers. This achievement makes me admire them even more. Another transport project involved moving a large pulp mill drum from Finland to Germany. It required a combination of road, sea, and barge transportation. They managed the entire project from the manufacturer in Finland to successful delivery in Germany. Watch how forklifts attached to the back of trucks are used to unload transformers quickly and efficiently. The Symphony of the Seas, the largest cruise ship in the world. Imagine bringing a sailor from 500 years ago into the future and showing them this ship. How would they feel? Drone footage is truly amazing, opening up a whole new perspective on the scale and size of a 245-ton transformer moving on the road. The epic music of that journey makes transporting heavy objects unexpectedly fascinating. When it comes to icebreakers, I must say Russia is number one, with the largest and most powerful nuclear icebreakers in the world, followed by Canada and Finland. Then there is Sweden, but not much more. This is truly a race of technology and power. Trains are also not immune to harsh weather. The Soya Mainline Russell Plow PP115, a Red Bullet, recently operated in snowfall. The way it overcomes all obstacles is reliable and wonderful. Have you ever visited the Strasbourg Railroad and watched a train pass through the snow? It's truly a magical experience, making you feel as if you've stepped into a fairy tale world. The Liebherr 996B is a large excavator used in the mining industry, known for its high power and efficiency. The jet truck Shockwave, with a speed of up to 376 miles per hour, also amazes me. This is truly a technological and engineering marvel. This concrete pole is very long and difficult to transport, but with skillful driving, the driver still maneuvers the vehicle easily on the road. Are there any other topics you'd like us to explore? Please leave your comments below so we can bring you more interesting content. Don't forget to watch our upcoming videos to discover more fascinating and unique aspects of life. Thank you for taking the time to follow and join us. The Fendt tractors operate like a special task force, especially when the Fendt 939 and Komatsu 951 work together. When the Komatsu 951 is transporting goods with the assistance of the Fendt 939, it's truly an incredible cycle. These tractors are indeed top-notch. The sheer size of these yachts is astonishing. Once again, we have spectacular photos showcasing the incredible transport process of these magnificent vessels. You are not mistaken. Besides transporting industrial equipment, we can also relocate your house. This is done in the evening to avoid disturbing people around. Sometimes I can't help but wonder, is this a truck or a boat when it goes through swamps? Covering over 5,000 nautical miles is also an incredible achievement. Now, cars have their own specialized attachments, making it easy to conquer snowy terrain in just 15 minutes. Enjoy winter adventures like never before. I have great respect for Mercedes-Benz for transporting a 4,000-ton tank in Genk, Belgium. The Faymonville Model Max is a road transport module with a total load capacity of up to 5,000 tons. Oh, those Jeeps. It's unbelievable. This is an art of fine engineering, beyond my expectations, and the driving skills are fantastic. Congratulations. I imagine the demolition machine with sturdy arms, like giant crab claws, easily gripping everything. With experience in the forestry industry, I was surprised to see this vehicle. Usually regular timber trucks struggle to move through muddy areas, but this one is powerful and operates smoothly. Are there any other topics you'd like us to explore? Please leave your comments below so we can bring you more interesting content. Don't forget to watch our upcoming videos to discover more fascinating and unique aspects of life. Thank you for taking the time to follow and join us.